So, you are a scientist, you're a biological engineer?
That's right.
And I'm guessing that this is not your science outfit.
No, this is just to demonstrate the use of the Arduino microcontroller. I'm actually a biomedical engineer, so my job is to work on creating measurement tools for biology. So I actually got started using microcontrollers by making costumes because I didn't really know how to use the controller yet. So I needed a project to start out with as kind of like a learning sandbox. So Arduino was great for that. There's a lot of online tutorials and the interface. So I'm actually hooked up right now to my Arduino chip. And it's really simple to use because you just need a USB cord, and I write my code and upload it within seconds. And that's something that's very unique to Arduino. That sort of interfacing that's very simple. That's very unique to Arduino, and it makes it really easy for beginners like me. So I just started like 3 years ago, but now I use it in all of my actual science work during the day.
So 3 years ago, you were a beginning maker, and in 3 years' time, you know enough to build everything you're wearing and building right now.
Yeah, absolutely. So I mean, the first project that I made, I've been making these light-up costumes since 2011, and you know, it's really satisfying to get started with something. And within the first hour, I was able to change lights. I was able to make motors turn, and that's something that you really can't get out of most microcontrollers. You're spending a lot of time learning how to code or learning about the hardware itself. And with Arduino, you have this community of people that can help you out over the internet.
And does it move?
It does. So what a microcontroller does best is it allows you to communicate between different types of hardware. So in this suit, I have all these lights. I also have spinning motors, and I have a sensor which senses how far away objects are. So if you put your hand up to the sensor that's up here.
Oh, so I can make you fly now.
I'm working on that part. So this is an example of how you can use the microcontroller. So this is an Arduino microcontroller, and right now it's hooked up in the back. I can change the program in it very easily, and it's coordinating the information between the lights and the motors and the sensor.
Excellent. So the skills that you learned by building this suit, you can use in your actual scientific work.
Yeah, absolutely. So I have here a couple of examples of some of the things that I've made during my work time. So I do things like I make medical diagnostics, and I also make optical equipment. And all of those are Arduino-powered projects.
What would it cost if you would buy it, the machine, instead of make it?
Yeah, so the great thing about the maker movement like this is it really empowers makers to build their own stuff. So a real simple motorized filter wheel like this would cost me thousands of dollars. But instead, you know, with Arduino and knowing how electronics work, I can make one within an afternoon for just, you know, $100.
You could get rich. Good. Thanks a lot. Great suit.
Sure.
Bye.
Het is donderdag en dus natuurlijk hoogdag voor de nerds. Hier is alweer Lieven Scheire. Hartelijk welkom, Lieven. Wat heb je mee uit Nerdland?
Wel, ik heb de eer en het genoegen, Thomas,